Okay, so I have the biggest problem ever. My 70D does not turn on for nothing. Last night I thought it was just the battery. I plugged the battery into charge overnight, left it there, and it's just not turning on. Nothing. I don't even know what to do. So basically with my cameras, I try to put all this extra stuff on it. I put magic lantern on my 70D. Everything was working fine, except it was a bit, like it was glitchy in the beginning. I decided, hey, the only thing that I'm really using on the magic lantern is the time lapses. So I just decided to just take it out. Took the SD card out, put the SD card in the computer, took magic lantern out, and then when I put everything back in, it just doesn't turn on. I'm gonna try to put magic lantern back in, and then to see if it turns on that way. This is not good. Oh, it literally just turned on. Wow. And so we're back. Honestly, I love lazy mornings. It's 12 o'clock, I have no business being outside. I do work later. But hey, I mean, I have plenty of time before I gotta go to work. The thing about lazy mornings is that you have all morning to contemplate what you're gonna do, what problems you need to fix. For example, my 70D wasn't working. So I had time to turn it on and off until I thought, you know, something was gonna happen. And then look, it turned on. Good morning. You get to work, you do your day, you're good. So now I have enough time to go outside and do, I don't know what I'm gonna do. Whatever it is I'm gonna do. On the Canon 70D is actually pretty cool. It's more for people who want to take full advantage of their camera and sort of want the easy way out. I didn't keep it on my camera because it was actually making the camera freeze a little bit. The one thing that I was using it for the most was the time lapse, and what it does is that you can set up intervals in which it takes X amount of pictures within X amount of time. Every 3 seconds it takes one picture, etc. And then you can either like turn it into time lapse. If you go to the time lapse section of my channel, you can see some of the time lapses that I've done using that feature, which is cool because it's high resolution raw image. So basically it's like one long raw file movie, which is cool. So overall, to wrap all that up, the magic lantern, if you have a separate like Canon, like if you have 2 Canons that you can use, then yeah, go ahead, go put the magic lantern on it, because it's fun to, like, you know, mess around with your camera and switch the settings around. But if it's your main camera, like me, my Canon 70D is the only camera I have. I literally had a heart attack when it couldn't turn on. Then I wouldn't do it. I would just do with what you have and then use Premiere or Final Cut, or some of you like to use After Effects and all that stuff. Use those programs to get that same effect. Find myself with the one and only Mr. AlexEscobar one more time. I was at Metro North, yo.
It was fast. I was surprised. Remember, I was like, yo, dog, this shit got hit fast, bro.
I mean, I edited everything, and then I'm like, yo, I realized we didn't even ask, like, how it went. Like, we didn't even tell people how it went.
No, but the funny shit is that it was fast, man. It was a real cool, yo.
See, you over here trying to kill me.
He show all the people that's coming by. That's why.
Trying to kill me. around the city dancing. Look at this guy. Honestly, Alex just said something very foul, and with that, I am ending the vlog. We're done for the day. That's it. We're done. So we just ran into homie, and he got one of these weird things. It's pretty dope. All right, go ahead, bro.
It's like a hoverboard.
Wow. Yo, take it easy, man. Be safe. Never seen somebody like use that in my life. That was pretty dope.
Yeah. I mean, you see a lot of that shit downtown.
I see him, but I never seen somebody like mount on and just get off.
That was
Like
the hoverboard before the hoverboard.
wow.
Yeah.
He's McFly because he had the MCM bag and all that.
Shit, like 28th Street.